Hello, this is Rafael Hikana, and I'm here to talk about my hobby of playing games and joining the esports scene. In the beginning, I played League of Legends for in 2013, playing LANs and online tournaments for and at UW. They were called the Purple Caster Minions. And then I made the switch to playing Counter-Strike in December of 2014. I played that for 2 years all that time I was pursuing a professional career with 4 years till I turned 17. After 3 years, I was contracted with three different organizations. Team Coast and Code 7 Esports were both really nice and good companies to work for, but neither of them were salaried at the time. The esports scene didn't grow until further down my career, especially once I joined Guerrilla Tactics. Once I joined Guerrilla Tactics, we played major qualifiers, which are the biggest tournaments in the world, $1 million prize pools that you can play for, and they were a really good organization. I started streaming under them, and I started playing a lot more competitively when I started playing for them. But some tournaments I played for, I've qualified for 28 tournaments, but we've won 6 of which were LANs, and we played 34 tournaments in all. Out of the 28 qualifiers, we qualified to go to Anaheim for DreamHack. We qualified for DreamHack Cologne and DreamHack in Texas. We also qualified and we played for tournaments in UBC Canada and in the Esports Center in California. During all of those times, it was a really great learning experience, and I got to meet a bunch of cool people and a lot of people that are actually in the esports organization. I've met a lot of players that stayed in professional esports even until now. A lot of these players like Ken1, Jisung, Ike, they're all players that made the switch over to Valorant, which is a game that everyone's playing now. After I stopped playing professionally because I wasn't able to keep up, I started streaming for the organization around the end of 2016. I streamed mainly under Guerrilla Tactics, where I would gain my first salary, and I slowly grew my stream until I joined the work study program in PSNS and IMF in 2017. And here's just one of the clips that I had from streaming. That was just one of the clips from my stream back when I actually did streaming. And then I really enjoyed it, but I wasn't able to keep my fan base up enough due to my commitment at the shipyard. And then finally, I wasn't able to keep up with the team practice and working at the shipyard at the same time, so I chose working at the shipyard because it gave me the better chance for a future and more realistic options for what I was able to get. I enjoy gaming, but not having the amount of time and willpower to play competitively, I just stopped playing completely, and I couldn't keep up with how much my team actually wanted me to play for them, and then I couldn't keep up with the streaming factor of it. So I switched from going to tournaments and online qualifiers for working at the shipyard 5 days out of the week. I really enjoy it, and I'm glad I made the switch. I wouldn't switch it for anything. I'm Rafael Hikana, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.